Hello and welcome to RGS Adding Documents. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through how to add ethics and governance documents to RGS prior to their submission to either the Ethics Committee or Research Governance Office. Documents that accompany either the ethics or governance application forms can be added by any project member in the Applications tab within the active section of either Ethics Approval or Site Authorisation. Ethics documents are added here even if they have been reviewed and approved by an NMA HREC outside of WA. If you need help in formulating documents, a link to consent forms and protocol templates are provided here. Enter the details related to your document, including the document type and the document name. This name will appear on the final approval letter, so ensure it is named correctly, as ethics administrators cannot change it later. Do not enter the file name or use underscores. The version number and the date are added separately. Remember that if you are using a HRE, it is completed outside RGS and uploaded as a supporting document here. A HRE supporting document must always accompany the submission of a WA-specific module form. If you do not have an electronic copy, select hard copy here and then mail the hard copy to the HREC. Enter the location of the ethics office here. If you have an electronic copy, enter it here and then click Add. The uploaded ethics document is now added and automatically authorised, ready for submission. You can edit the document details, print the document, or view the document details. If you have added the document in error, you can also remove it. Multiple documents can be uploaded ready for submission with the ethics form. Details are displayed. These columns can be sorted if you have multiple documents. All RGS columns can be sorted in this way. Government documents are added in the same way. There is also a link to helpful governance templates like research agreements, indemnity forms, and student confidentiality agreements. Governance documents can be uploaded both in draft and also final formats, as you may like to submit a draft research agreement to a research governance officer for legal review prior to uploading a final agreement. As governance documentation possibly involves multiple sites and multiple RG offices, in order for RGS to track them, governance documents must be associated with a form. These must be added prior to documents being added. If not, you will not be able to select them. The budget supporting document should be associated with the budget form and refers to service agreements with supporting departments. Documents added in this category and the budget form are not viewable by the sponsor. All other documents should be associated either with the site-specific assessment form or the access request form. The exception is the confidentiality agreement or non-disclosure agreement, which is used in the feasibility stage of clinical trials between a sponsor and a WA health site. It may need to be submitted to the RG office for review and approval prior to any project details being added or any forms being commenced. You see there is no form here. Once complete, add it to your site authorisation documents. The confidentiality disclosure agreement is associated with the site name. This is now a second document that has been associated with its form regarding the appropriate site. Add it. This document is now associated with the SSA form for Royal Perth Hospital. The governance document is now added and automatically authorised, ready for submission. All documents can be removed or viewed by clicking on the link, printed, or have their details edited or viewed by project members associated with the site. Other project members that aren't associated with the site will only be able to view the details of the document. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you have found it helpful.